Hi, my name is Sonam. This is my mother, Pramila. We actually came in contact with Walls to Home because, as usual, we were also hunting for a lot of, design teams. We were meeting with a lot of interior teams to find out who can design our home the best. I cannot even remember how many teams I have met. I cannot even remember how many designers I've interviewed. But when I met Walls to Home, everything fit in place. I wanted to concentrate on three things: budget, design style, and execution. Budget, Walls to Home gave us a good plan on how to include everything that fit well within our budget. Design style, this was also very important for me. I have a very minimalistic style is what I like. When I spoke to Walls to Home designers, they understood what I wanted and they even showed me some references like, you can do this, you can do that, you can improve on your own design. And that actually hit the nerve. It was a good thing for me. I wanted someone to correct me. I wanted someone to tell me where I could improve and have a home. And that's why I zeroed in on Walls to Home. And execution, I went through ton of your reviews online and everybody had anything but good words about execution. So I knew that Walls to Home will be a perfect fit for us, and that's how we went ahead with it.
ಓವರಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ನೆನ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಹಾಕಿದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ, ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಂಡ್ವರೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಡೇ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಿಚನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ
ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು you can reach the items when you're cooking. Yeah. It's designed in such a way that you don't have to move around the entire kitchen to actually do your cooking. It's all at hands, reachable places. There's a dedicated space for each appliance and it helps us maintain our kitchen nicely. We won't be able to keep it neat on otherwise, but the way it is designed helps us to, maintain it nicely, and it makes it look like we are some clean freaks.
Yes.